These little guys don't have their eyes open yet. They'll be 2 weeks on Sunday. So they should be getting their eyes open not long after that. The little girl's clear down here in front. She's a sable and white. And then the other 4 are boys. Our littlest boy is our little black and white boy there. He's just above the girl. He's growing like crazy, and he's doing well, but he's about, as you can see, about half the size as those 3 bigger boys, and smaller than the girl as well. I have to keep moving them apart to keep them awake. Puppies at this age will just sleep in a pile, and so when they can't see where they're going, and I think that's one reason why they squeak more than older puppies, because they're having to find each other by sound and by smell. I'm sure that's an instinct, because out in the wild, of course, if they didn't pile in a huddle, they would probably die from losing body heat. I keep it pretty toasty warm in here for everybody, but it's still an instinct to curl up with somebody else. That little toy that's in there is not something I put in there. Sophie always keeps a toy with her babies. In fact, she carried a toy around in her mouth for about 2 days before she had these babies. I always know when she's getting ready to have her babies because she starts carrying a toy around. And now she has to make sure that her babies always have a toy to play with. So if I take it out, either that one or another one will be back in there within minutes as soon as she notices. And that toy is maybe 4 inches long. Could only maybe be 3 inches. And I don't know if you can tell, but the puppies aren't much longer than that toy at this point. Okay, I think I better get them all back in their little whelping box again so that they can sleep comfortably.